Financing Info tab will allow you to create the defaults for the structure of your loan that you'll see in the F&I screen when you create a deal. Here, you're going to decide or enter in the decision you made on whether to calculate your loans based on the number of payments or the payment amount. If you select the payment or the number of payments, you can come over and put a default number if you'd like, or you can leave that blank and just add it deal per deal. Same thing if you did the payment amount to calculate the loans, you could put in a default payment amount and all your loans would be calculated on that amount, and you could change that on a deal per deal basis. You'll decide which type of sale you want to be your default, and again, all of these defaults can be changed and edited in the F&I screen on a case-by-case basis. So if you're going to receive the payments at your dealership, then receivable would be the way to go. And then how often do you want your customers to come in and make payments? This is just a default and it can be changed, but you're going to select the one that you want to use the most often. For your amortization schedule, you can select between pre-comp, daily simple, pro rata, or rule of 7/8. And then what you'll do on the left side is enter the clerical or doc fee if you offer or charge one, title fee if you have a title fee, and then if you have a standard interest rate that you're going to charge, you can enter that. And if you have a default warranty, you can select the provider and the package that you'd like to use as the default. Select the type of interest, and then make sure to check this Enable Edits button so that you are able to make changes in the F&I screen if necessary. The next area is going to allow you to determine the calculation of your amortization method. If you use simple daily interest, you do need to select exact days to calculate that. Pre-comp, you're going to check 360, 364, or 365. And then you can check the other miscellaneous defaults if necessary. Here you can adjust the final payment if you select number of payments as your calculation method. Then you can round the last payment of the loan. So you can do that for receivables. If you do outside financing, you can select both of them or just check the one that you need. And then the last thing you can do in this tab is decide whether or not you're going to charge interest on tax. Are you going to defer the tax or collect it up front, basically, is the question you need to ask yourself. If you are going to collect it up front, you need to make sure that collect at the time of sale is checked. Otherwise, if you're going to defer, then you can collect at the time of payment. Once you've populated all the fields that you need to populate here, you're ready to move on to the next tab and complete your company setups.